I started out as a chef, actually. I think a lot of bartenders do have that culinary side in them as well. Young guy, a lot more fun in the bar than is stuck in a kitchen, basically. I'm a big advocate for whiskey, everything about it. You know, the history, flavour, and you know, where it comes from, where it's been, distilleries. Every distillery's got a different story to tell, from you know, water source to who works there to why they make it. It's so vast and it's forever changing, you know, and you look at like different continents and everyone's doing their own style of whiskey. You can mix with it, you sip on it neat. Yeah, it's good. It's a good time. I've always loved this drink. It's simple, you know, 3 in the afternoon or 3 in the morning, it goes down just as good, to be honest. That's what I really love about making drinks, is just getting back to roots and just having the simplicity and let the spirits speak for themselves. I'm fortunate enough to have 2 venues under my name. It's going really well. You know, bartenders, everyone dreams to have their own place at some stage. If you do something for long enough, you've got to do it for yourself.